Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to enable the virtual button on your screen. Perhaps your mechanical buttons have stopped working and you want to enable a virtual button on your screen. How do you do that? To do this you go into your iPhone settings. Now go a little lower and find the item Accessibility. Now select the item Touch. And we see here the function AssitiveTouch. This is exactly what we need. When we select this checkbox, we get a button like this, which we can use to control our iPhone. If the home button is broken or something else, we can use this button. We can also use it for other functions, such as changing the volume. You can also customize this button the way you want. You can add new icons and more. It's very simple and cool customization here. You can also change the design of this button. This is such an easy and great way to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.